Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a delicious drinks recipe for mango lassi. Traditional to India, this yogurt based drink is quick to whip up, plus it's full of tasty flavours and spices.
Now take 6 cardamom pods and remove the seeds. Then place into a pestle and mortar and grind until nice and fine. Next, using either a blender or a personal blender, take the jug or cup and add 1 handful of ice. Also add 200 grams of low-fat natural yogurt, along with half a tablespoon of runny honey. Now pour in 45 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk, and if you want your mango lassi to have a bit of zest, squeeze in some lime. Now add your ground cardamom pods, then 150 grams of chopped frozen mango. And now your mango lassi is ready to blitz up. So blend until nice and smooth. Once done, and if you feel the mango lassi needs thinning out at all, simply mix in some water and then it's ready to serve. Pour your mango lassi into glasses, and this recipe is enough to serve 2, then garnish each with some crushed pistachio nuts. And there you have it, that's how to make this really refreshing yogurt based drink, which is perfect to enjoy on a summer's day.